Welcome to the Fulford Certification Level B Provisional and Level D Limited Scope Core Theory exam. As of June 1st, 2024, our online testing systems will require you to identify yourself and take a proctored test. This change has been requested by the industry as a way of making sure online testing stays convenient to access, but ensures the integrity of the exam. During the test, the software flags if you start talking to someone or if someone else comes into the frame and starts consulting with you on the answers. This exam is open book, meaning that you are free to use any reference materials when taking the exam. However, there are some restrictions as listed below. Help is not allowed during the test. You should be aware of Fulford Certification's assessment misconduct policy prior to taking the exam. You can find material to prepare for the exam on our website. Please review all the links in the section Exam Preparation Materials. The exam is based on all the listed WorkSafe BC and BC Crane safety documents, and the exam reference material and core workplace competences PDFs. You will also find a practice test in this section. Approximately 5 business days after we receive and confirm your Level B or Level D application, you will be enrolled into the exam. You will receive an email from our staff with your login information and a link to the test. You will need a computer with a webcam and microphone, and to avoid technical difficulties, we highly suggest using Google Chrome to answer this test. Log in with the username and password provided in the email and enter the course. The exam will consist of 40 questions and you will have 90 minutes to finish. The minimum passing score is 28 out of 40 correct answers. Before proceeding to the proctoring, setup, and exam, get all the support material you consider necessary, ready in other tabs, windows, or printed. The charts and figures necessary to answer some questions will be included in each question. When you're ready to start, click on Proctoring YTM. This will begin the proctoring software setup. During the initial check, the website may request permissions to use the webcam and microphone. Please allow both and give the network check and WebRTC check a few seconds to be completed. If you have any technical difficulties during the setup, please contact UTestMe support at support@utestme.com. When all the checks are complete and the button becomes available, click Next. You will be asked to take a photo of your face. When you are happy with the photo, click Next. Repeat this process with a government-issued ID to confirm your identity. After the proctoring setup is successfully completed, you will be taken to the exam attempt. This is your last chance to calmly review your study material and get your support documents ready. Only when you are sure you are ready to start, click on Attempt Quiz or Start Attempt. Once the attempt has started, the timer cannot be paused. You will have 90 minutes to answer all the questions. Read each question carefully and get familiar navigating between questions. You can show and hide the quiz navigation block with the tab on the right side of the screen to quickly navigate between questions, or you can use the Next Page or Previous Page buttons located below the questions. If you are unsure of your current question, you can move forward and go back at any point. All the questions that need information from figures and charts will have the necessary material contained in them. When you're done answering all the questions, click on Finish Attempt. This will take you to the attempt summary where you will be able to see if any questions remain unanswered. You can still go back and double-check your attempt at this point. After checking your answers, if you're sure you're completely done, click on Submit All and Finish. You will see your final exam score and the duration of your attempt. You don't need to do anything else after this point. Your results will be automatically sent to us. After you obtain a score of 28 or higher, you will have successfully completed the exam and we will start processing your certificate. Please remember to double-check that a photo meeting all the requirements and your registration number with BC Crane Safety were included in your application. We cannot process your certificate if any of these is missing. If your application is complete, your certificate will be processed and issued within 5 business days. A digital copy will be then sent to your and your employer's email address, and the hard copy will be mailed out to the address indicated in your application. If your result was 27 or less, you have the option to rewrite the test. We will process your results and send you a reapplication form. Please note that all operators have a maximum of 3 attempts at the test with a wait of 72 hours between attempts. If a successful result is not achieved in 3 attempts, the certification process will have to start over. Thank you, and we wish you success in your test.